Hello everyone, welcome back to a rainy corn patch. Yeah, we picked the rain and we're starting to clean this field up. So what I done, I picked 4 rows off the edge from the spray road, and then we'll come over and drive through, pick 3 or 4 more, drive through and keep stripping, and we'll start cleaning this patch up. We've already picked some this morning. It's drizzling the rain right now. It came a monsoon on us earlier. We do pick the rain. It's actually good for the corn. It stays hydrated, stays fresh if you can get it in the cooler. Got less field heat in it, so it's actually good for the corn. Not real good for the pickers, but that's just part of it. So we're gonna finish this bin out, and then we've got 8 or 9 more bins to go after this one. So here we go. As you can see, it's a bit of a slow process, but not really. If you got more than one picker, it can go pretty quick. Come down through here and picking on both sides, it can really goes pretty quick. But I'm gonna get off here and finish this bin up and go get us some more. So hang on. Well, different day, same result. We're back to picking in the rain. I like one more bin, having all I need picked for today picked, and the sky's lit up. We are, that is the first bin right there off of planting number 2. We finished planting number 1 up today. The field that I was worried about, what it would produce, it wound up producing, let me do some math right quick. 390 bushel. So I was well pleased with that. It you know, I was worried that we might get half that, but on about probably a little over 2 acres. There's 2.5 acres in that field, but I lost probably a ½ acre due to the flooding. So on probably around 2 acres, 390 bushel. So I'm pleased with that. Be pleased with that yield all year long, you know, if I average that. So, you know, if we divide that by 2, that equals, that's 195 bushel an acre. So that's pretty good for corn that was froze and this, that, and other. But what we ran into on that corn is, I actually picked over it twice. And I picked it, and when I picked that first time through, last week, this week, today's Wednesday, I picked about 130 bushel last week, something in that area, I don't know, and picked the rest of it this week. So, and I've started on this particular field today. So far it's yielding really good, and it's ready to pick. So I'm on, today's Wednesday, I need to have about half of this picked, and it's probably going to be, I don't know, they will probably be nearly double what there was out there if the first indications hold true. And I need to have it mostly picked by Monday evening, about half of it. So I need to pick 300 bushel, 400 bushel, about 400 bushel tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday. So yeah, but that ain't too bad. That's 4 days, that's 100 bushel a day. I have picked 125 a day, and I've got another 13, 14 to pick. So we're moving right along. This corn is not quite as mature as the other, but it's still good, and like I said, I'm pleased with it. So if it would just quit raining for a few minutes and let me get back at it, I would be tickled to death. But anyhow, we'll see what we can get into. Okay, we've made it in from another day of picking in the rain. Seems like it's been raining or very hot every time we've been picking, but that's part of it. It feels real good to have the first planting picked and getting a start on second planting. Hopefully we can get a big chunk of hit knocked out in the next couple of days. That's the plan anyhow. It's kind of pushing me a little bit. First one was so late that this one's about caught up with it, and the one right behind it's going to be ready too. So next 3 or 4 weeks, it'll be pretty rough trying to get them all knocked out, but as long as we can sell them and I can keep picking them, I'm fine with it. You know, as long as it keeps moving, I'm tickled to death to get it picked and out of there. So if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put up a video. See a video you like, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or comment, please do so. I've not been checking the comments much lately, but I will get around to them at some point. I've been busy. I hope you understand. So till next time, everybody take care of yourself. Talk to you later. Bye.